Install the water inlet pipe. First, loosen the clamp at one end of the inlet pipe. Then insert the filter. Then use a tool to tighten and secure the clamp to prevent water leakage. Loosen the clamp at the other end of the inlet pipe. Connect the inlet pipe to the pump body and use a tool to tighten and secure it. Install the outlet pipe. Attach one end of the outlet pipe to the water outlet, as shown in the video. Then connect the other end to the spray gun. Unscrew the oil dipstick to prepare for adding engine oil. Use a tool to add 1.1L engine oil. Oil selection: 5W30 in winter, 10W40 in summer. After filling, reinstall the oil dipstick. Unscrew the diesel tank cap to prepare for adding diesel. Use a tool to add an adequate amount of diesel. After filling, reinstall the diesel tank cap. The diesel drain port is located at the bottom of the machine. Drain the diesel fuel prior to long-term storage to avoid damage due to fuel degradation. Unscrew the gasoline tank cap to prepare for adding gasoline. Use a tool to add an adequate amount of gasoline. Gasoline type: regular unleaded gasoline. After filling, reinstall the fuel tank cap. Then place one end of the inlet pipe into the water. The filter will sink on its own after being filled with water. Before using, connect the battery cable. Connect the red wire to the positive terminal and the black wire to the negative terminal. If the machine will not be used for a long time, it is recommended to disconnect the battery cables to prevent battery discharge. Then open the cover of the hot water control box. Turn on the circuit breaker switch. Then reinstall the cover. Turn the fuel switch to the on position. Close the choke switch of the engine carburetor. For a warm start, close it halfway is sufficient. Push the throttle switch to the far left maximum position. Turn the engine switch to the on position. Start the machine. Turn the engine switch to the start position. After starting the engine, immediately open the choke valve on the carburetor. First pull gently to resistance, then pull forcefully to start. This two-step process prevents kickback from sudden full pulls. After starting the engine, immediately open the choke valve on the carburetor. Turn on the main switch of the hot water controller. Turn the heating switch to the on position. This displays the outlet water temperature. This displays the set temperature. Press the up or down button to adjust the set temperature. The temperature will only gradually rise to the set temperature when the spray gun is in use. When the spray gun stops, the heating controller will automatically stop heating to prevent dry firing and damage to the machine. If cold water cleaning is needed, simply turn the heating switch to the OFF position. Before hyper-shear cleaning, first press the spray gun until the water flow becomes stable. Then install the nozzle and begin the cleaning operation. The grip of the spray gun can be adjusted according to needs. Press the spray gun switch to start. The machine has strong pressure with a jet distance of several meters, suitable for most scenarios in daily life. At close range, it can even penetrate a few millimeters thick wooden board. The actual cleaning effect is as shown in the video. Using hot water for cleaning can soften and emulsify stubborn oil stains, and the cleaning effect is much better than using cold water. Stains soften quickly, eliminating the need for repeated rinsing, saving cleaning time and water usage. It also significantly reduces the amount of chemical cleaners used, making it more environmentally friendly and lowering consumable costs. Surfaces dry faster after hot water cleaning, reducing water spot and streak residue. Metal workpieces are less prone to rust from long-term water residue and can be put into use more quickly after cleaning. After hot water cleaning, do not directly touch the metal parts on the spray gun to prevent burns. First, turn off the heating device. Then press the spray gun to lower the temperature with cold water to an appropriate level. To shut down the machine, after the spray gun stops working, turn off the main heating switch. Turn the engine stop, switch to the off position. Turn the fuel switch to the off position. Close the engine carburetor choke valve. if the pull cord is difficult to pull after use. The water pipe cannot be removed. Press the spray gun to release the machine pressure before normal use.